महावल्लभ गणपति की जय। 9 दिवस का जो गणेश महोत्सव हिंदू टेम्पल सोसाइटी ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका की ओर से हर बरस आयोजित किया जाता है, उसका समापन आज 11 सितंबर को रविवार के दिन इस विशेष रथ यात्रा के द्वारा हो रहा है।
Extra lemon and stuff.
महावल्लभ गणपति नगर यात्रा पर निकले हैं अपनी आशीष को लेकर, अपना अनुग्रह बरसाते हुए, और इस अवसर के उत्साह ने खींच लिया है हर आयु वर्ग के श्रद्धालुओं को। छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी बड़े उत्साह, प्रेम और आनंद के साथ इस उत्सव का हिस्सा बन रहे हैं। वेलकम।
Thank you for having me. This is so great.
It's such a colorful occasion as well as full of devotion and prayers for peace, especially as it is happening this time on 11th September. What are your thoughts and feelings?
I've been coming for many years, and especially on today, it's important to bring everyone together and to celebrate something good and bring the whole community together.
Oh, it's every year is a wonderful opportunity for the community to come together to celebrate. 9/11 hurt everybody worldwide. India has had problems with terrorism, and so has other parts of the world. And yet we come together to show how united we are.
वहाँ कई लोग ऐसे हैं जो पिछले 25 वर्षों से लगातार इस रथ यात्रा में आते रहे हैं।
I feel bad and good. The bad is that more than 3,000 lives lost 15 years ago because of terrorist attack. Because they have a misunderstanding of how America is. You know, in a lot of different countries, they think America is the evil. Actually, America is the democracy. Everybody has a good chance, equal opportunity to have their education, to equal opportunity to start your own business, and you can make your own destiny here. So we want those people to understand we are all brothers and sisters. You know, it's not them against us. You know, as long as we have opportunities.
Councilman Barry Grudenchik, 23rd District. I'm always happy to be at this parade, this procession for Lord Ganesh. It really, as Peter Koo said, we're very diverse, but we're all together and we're all one here today in Flushing.
So, Councilman, it happens sometimes. What you pray, it happens. If you were having that moment and you were to pray to Lord Ganapati about your favorite candidate for presidential race, what would you say?
Well, I don't know if today's a day for politics. You know, we're here to celebrate together. I hope that the best person will win. That we all have a decision to make on who that is. But I have my candidate, of course. But today is a day not for politics. Today is a day to celebrate our unity of our community, and we can see from the large turnout, as it always is, that this is a very special day.
9 दिन के अलंकरण के साथ गणपति भगवान की जो प्रसन्न मुद्रा है उसके दर्शन करने का श्रद्धालुओं ने यहाँ हिंदू टेंपल में आनंद लिया है.
Yeah, this is the good message to the whole world that we want to live in the peace with the blessing of the God Ganesha, and we are united, the whole community. You can see here, not like only from India, all other people, all other senators, all the people who likes this united, this like United Nations today. So I wish that God bless, Ganesha bless everybody.
ये तो गणपति जी का कृपा है, हमको इतना हेल्दी रखा है इतना उम्र में. I pray Lord Ganesha that this Rath Yatra should be very successful. Thank you for all of you come and join in this. God bless you all. Thank you.
This is unique for our temple, for the whole Hindu community, and also at large, all religions and communities at large. And this is a unique event to combine and show what we are, what Hinduism is, what Vivekananda ji mentioned in 1893. That is the unique aspect of this particular religion, and it is for peace, prosperity, and also for the humanity at large. Thank you.
It's a wonderful occasion to be participating in Sri Ganesha Chaturthi Rathotsavam, and look at the number of people who are here on such a beautiful day. We are happy. Ganesha is dancing here.
It is my pleasure to be associated with the Hindu temple, and I have been going on this Ganesh Chaturthi Rath Yatra from last 25 years, and I'm happy because of Ganesha I'm able to do it. All my blessing, I get all my blessings from Ganesha. I wish everybody to take part in it and get the blessings of Ganesha. This is my true belief, and I wish everybody in New York comes and takes part in this and get his blessings. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So as young Hindus, we really have to be proud of who we are. As a proud Hindu myself, it's a great opportunity for me to meet like-minded people, celebrate Ganesha together. We're all happy today, celebrate his birthday, and of course spread awareness about who we are as Hindus, and to dispel any misconceptions that they may have about our faith. So we're all really happy. We're all work together. We're all volunteers, and under the same umbrella of just being proud Hindus.
I have been volunteering for the past 7 years.
It's really important to me because Ganesh Chaturthi is one of those times where you get to help out people and see the expression of people who have done really good stuff. And it's everybody working here, and it's just great to be here.
It's actually really fun to volunteer and help out the temple, and yeah. Moria!
And Partha, how do you like the form of Lord Ganapati?
It is awesome. I was going to my place called Balvihar, and there I was dressed up like a Ganesha and all this stuff on it.
Wow. Which is the mantra or shloka of Ganapati that you remember?
Om Shreem Hreem Kleem Gau Gam Ganapati Varorat Sarvajanam Me Vasmani Swaha.
Standing here with Partha, celebrating Ganesh Rathotsav. What would you like to say to your friends who are not here today?
Oh,
किया
hi.
है और आज का दिन विशेष रूप से ऐसी प्रार्थनाओं से भी भरा हुआ है जो विश्व कल्याण विश्व शांति के साथ संबंध रखती हैं, क्योंकि 11 सितंबर अमेरिका के इतिहास में ही नहीं बल्कि अब विश्व के इतिहास में एक ऐसा दिन बन गया है जब उन सब निर्दोषों की याद आती है जो 9/11 अटैक के कारण हमसे विदा हो गए थे, और अधिक सुरक्षित हो और अधिक समन्वय हो जगत में, ऐसी प्रार्थना इस गणेश रथ यात्रा के द्वारा भी चहुं ओर प्रसारित हो रही है। इस यात्रा के बारे में ये रिपोर्ट आप तक ITV के लिए प्रस्तुत करते हुए